Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Jion's bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply type in jionsbank.com, press enter. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the official website of Jion's Bank. You'll be able to find several options over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find the option for sign in. Simply click on it. Now you'll be able to find the options for personal banking, business banking, treasury getaway, personal mortgage. Simply click on the account that you want to log into. If you want to log into your personal banking account, simply click on the option personal banking. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign-in interface of Jion's personal banking. If you haven't enrolled yet, you can simply click on the option enroll now and you'll be able to enroll. If you already have your account, you can simply sign in by providing your username and password. So simply click on the field of username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your username or password, you can click on the option forgot username or password and you'll be able to recover them. Now, after providing the credentials, what you have to do is click on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in Jion's bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.